Hello everyone, you are welcome to how to solve this very nice exponential equation. 8 to the power x plus 2 to the power x is equal to 130. Our job is to find all possible values of x such that x is a real number. So let's start. This 8 can be written as 2 cubed whole to the power this power x plus 2 to the power x is equal to 130. Now by using this power rule, a to the power m whole to the power n is equal to a to the power n whole to the power n. We can write this power 3 outside the brackets and this power x inside the brackets. So this will become 2 to the power x and whole to the power 3 plus 2 to the power x is equal to 130. Now we suppose that let 2 to the power x is equal to y. So this equation will become y cubed plus y is equal to 130. We move this 130 to the left hand side. This will become y cubed plus y minus 130 is equal to 0. Now because 26 times 5 is equal to 130 and negative 25 plus 26 is equal to 1. So we split this y as negative 25 y plus 26 y. So this will become y cube minus 25 times y plus 26 times y minus 130 is equal to 0. Now from these two terms y cubed minus 25y, we can factor out y as common factor. In bracket left y squared minus 25 plus from these two terms 26y minus 130, we can factor out 26 as common factor. In bracket left y minus 5 is equal to 0. Now this 25 is the same as 5 squared. So by using this algebraic identity, a squared minus b squared is equal to a plus b times a minus b. This y squared minus 25 will become y times y plus 5 times y minus 5 plus 26 times y minus 5 is equal to 0. Now this expression y minus 5 is common, so we factor out this y minus 5 and in bracket left this y times y plus 5, this plus 26. In bracket left y times y plus 5 plus 26 is equal to 0. Next y minus 5 times this y times 5 will become y squared and y times 5 plus 5y and this plus 26 is equal to 0. From here either this expression y minus 5 is equal to 0 or this expression y squared plus 5 times y plus 26 is equal to 0. From this equation we get the value of y is equal to 5, and from this quadratic equation we see the discriminant is less than 0 or greater than 0. Discriminant delta is equal to b squared minus 4ac. This is equal to b is 5, so this will become 5 squared minus 4 times a is 1 times c is 26. and this is equal to 5 squared is 25 minus 4 times 1 time 26 will become 104. This is equal to 25 minus 104 will become negative 79. So the discriminant delta is less than 0. It means no real solutions can be found from this equation. So we accept only this value of y, 5. And we recall that we have supposed that 2 to the power x is equal to y. We have supposed that 2 to the power x is equal to y. So when y is equal to 5, then this equation will become 2 to the power x is equal to 5. And we take log of both sides. Log of 2 to the power x is equal to log of 5. By using this log property, log of a to the power m is equal to m times log of a. This log of 2 to the power x will become x times log of 2 is equal to log of 5. Now if we divide both sides by log of 2, this implies that x is equal to log of 5 divided by log of 2. By using this log property, log of a over log of b is equal to log to the base b of a. This will become x is equal to log base 2 of 5. This is the final value of x. This is the final answer of this equation. Now let's verify this value of x and see that this is a valid solution or not. The original equation is 8 to the power x plus 2 to the power x is equal to 130. So when x is equal to this value log base 2 of 5, then this equation will become 8 to the power log base 2 of 5 plus 2 to the power log base 2 of 5. Is this equal to 130? Now this 8 can be written as 2 cubed whole to the power this power log base 2 of 5 plus 2 to the power log base 2 of 5. Is this equal to 130? Now by using this property, a to the power m whole to the power n is equal to a to the power n whole to the power m. We can write this power 3 outside the brackets and this power log base 2 of 5 inside the brackets. So this will become 2 to the power log base 2 of 5 whole to the power 3 plus 2 to the power log base 2 of 5. Is this equal to 130? Now by using this log property, b to the power log base b of a is equal to a. This 2 to the power log base 2 of 5 will become 5, and to the power this power 3 will come here, plus this 2 to the power log base 2 of 5 will become 5. Is this equal to 130? And 5 cubed is 125 plus 5. Is this equal to 130? And 125 plus 5 is 130 is equal to 130. You can see that left hand side is equal to the right hand side. It means this value of x log base 2 of 5 is a valid solution.